You know, there's a big old saying that anyone can keep the throttle wide open in a straight, but only real man knows how to handle the curves. Well, we have always wanted to corner like our favorite MotoGP stars and feel that adrenaline rush. So here's how we do it on these crazy Indian streets. We all know our way around the corners. Just drop a gear and lean. But turns out there's much more to than what meets the eye. So let's take a look at body position. Mile tuck in, hold the handlebar loosely, grip the tank with your knee and just look where you wanna go. So what we just witnessed was a near perfect body position idle for street hyper riding. Now let's take a closer look. See how the rider is holding the handlebar loosely and using his knee to maneuver the bike. And keep that in mind guys, getting your knee down is not the goal. The aim here is to distribute your body weight in order to readjust your center of gravity so that the bike turn in is as smooth as possible and you have a faster exit.
While a racer will brake right to the apex, but on the road, this is not best suitable. You should carry out as much as braking you can while the bike is fully upright, with a combo of 70% front and 30% rear. Yes, braking can be done while the bike is fully leant over. However, the further the lean angle, the more the cornering force is and the lesser you will be able to brake. So doing as much as braking you can while the bike is fully upright is the best option. In case of distraction, an obstacle may turn, stop traffic or a patch of gravel. You may need to use the front brake while the bike is leaning. Dragging the rear brake slightly can help in correcting your line if you are going too wide. Again, too much brake and you may lose your grip, but a little will assist you if you are making the turn.
Now with the body position well taken care of, let's talk about corners. The three basic ingredients of which a corner is made of is entry, apex and exit. Make sure you have a smooth entry, hit your apex right and charge out of corners like a raging bull running for edge.
Warming up the tire is a critical part for optimum grip. The fastest way is to accelerate hard a few times and brake aggressively so that the heat can be distributed evenly. Also make sure you check your tire pressure. Refer to your bike's manual for recommended tire pressure. My personal preference is 28 on the front and 29 on the rear. You can make minor adjustments according to your body weight.
Before we know how, we must know why. That is, the various forces which a rider experiences while cornering. Well, it's time for some physics lesson. There are a number of powerful forces which a rider experiences while cornering. There is of course the downward pull of gravity and friction between the tires. But the two most important are the centripetal and the fugal. One pulls you in and the other pushes you out. And if the bike is not leaned enough, the centrifugal will pull you up and the turn-in will not be as sharp. But the equilibrium between the two will ensure you have a stable corner.
Well, it doesn't completely depend on the compound and width of the tire if your tires are properly heated up. I have been using stock tires which is generally hard compound rubber and I had no such sliding issues once they were completely warmed up. Over the years we have mastered this technique and now we exploit the true potential of a motorcycle while doing freestyle highway runs.
These skills are not developed overnight. It takes years of practice. Try to corner slowly and then gradually increase the speed. Make sure you practice in a safe environment. Trust your instinct and never push it when you don't feel it. that's it for the video, guys. Feel free to drop your suggestions for future videos in the comment box down below. Till then, ride hard and ride safe. Well, this was just a beginner's tutorial. In future videos, we will go deeper in some of the techniques we use while cornering in different terrains, like wet weather conditions and narrow roads.
For some physics lessons.
Some है तो lessons, है तो lesson.
Start.
Before we know how,
Oh, here he goes! He sets him up! He's lost momentum!
अब मैं घर कैसे जाऊंगा? तन्मय
You're standing your ground, ready to die on the hill that you built out of lies.